Hey. Ningalinge nikhale ngama-defender kule game namhlanje. Lilodwa defender singakhala ngalo. Awe game namhlanje. Adothi kuthini ke namhlanje bafethu. Angazi mhlambe singabonisana, singakhuluma ndawonye sikhuluma ukuthi kahle kahle igame namhlanje bekwenze njani. But ngokwami igame namhlanje ibhede nje kukhishwa starting lineup. Ibhedwe nje ngosikhathi kukhishwa starting lineup. Starting lineup ibhede lapha igame. Yes, last game abadlali abanjengo Radio Man they were good. They were good, but against Isikhukhune United you cannot start Radio Pan. I spoke about this kwi-lineup prediction yami. I spoke about why Radio Pan ngamela qala. I'm not blaming Radio Pan, guys. Our attack today, they were really out. You cannot play Osuna Police mase umsiza ngomdlali ongadlali. Udlalisa Osuna Police as a right winger, but i-right wing back yakho umsangano. Awukwazi ukudlalisa Osuna Police as a right winger mase udlalisa lo mfana lo Mashilion as i-right wing back. Lo manje akunikezi lutho. Mashilion, I spoke about Mashilion, the signing of that guy. He didn't impress me against ngosikhathi bedlala nathi. Ngosikhathi sidlala against iBaroka, because most of these players asabasayina kwiBaroka sabasayina because adlala nabo. And badlala kahle against us. Ulwa mfana kuphela omncane samsayina right now usa kwiBaroka. Yabo obekumele aze, not this guy. This guy mude nje mahala. Mude nje mahala, ama cross akhe umsangano. Wethana ukukhahlela isidingo singekho. Isidingo nje singekho. Lamanje bese angiyiboni into esimsayinele yona. Hayi kabi. Ngokwami I spoke about ukuthola kwalo coach lokufika kwa coach uMosha. I spoke about Abdeslam Wadu. Abdeslam Wadu kufika kwakhe. First day efikile ngasho ukuthi Abdeslam into ezombulala kwePirates ukukhetha kabadlali. Yabo ukukhetha kwabadlali iyona into ezombulala. They bought too many quality players. Baningi abadlali abatswempu abathengwa. Last season Orlando Pirates ayingenayo problem yokufield abadlali. Into eyisha last season i-depth. We didn't have it depth last season. Why ushintsha ischeme? Uyashintsha ke manje ischeme. Akusiyona pre-season le. Uzoshintsha ischeme bese neformula ade sisebenzela kahle last season. Bese neformula ade sisebenzela kahle last season wena uzoshintsha ischeme manje. Ile nto ngisho. Ucoach uzoshawa selection of players. You don't change what is good. Awukwazi ukushintsha into ekusebenzelayo. Awukwazi ukushintsha into ekusebenzelayo. Like last game, yes, abantu bebejabulile, yes, bedla against iPulwane City. It was Pulwane City. Not just any team, it was iPulwane City, guys. Pulwane City. This is Isikhukhune United top 4. If you're top 4 last season, Isikhukhune United top 4. Sizodlalisa uRadio Pan. Aselithola igoli go 70 so far bani. So far Umbuthuma. So far Umbuthuma. We are losing 1-0. We need a goal. Wenzani ucoach uzofaka Umbuthuma? Muphi uMahopa? Muphi uMabasa? I know those guys bebengadlaleli kahle. But in terms of going up front, in terms of dominating, uMahopa is your go-to guy. Umahopa is your go-to guy. Mahopa gives you something, even though he doesn't score goals, but he creates chances. You cannot play with uRadiopan. Radiopan is a young boy. Radiopan needs to learn. Radiopan is a type of player that you put on second half, mhlambe usuwin. He's not a player that you can start games with. You cannot start any game with Radiopan. Radiopan is a good player. He knows how to play. I'm not blaming the boy. I'm blaming the coach. The coach today, our good player today for me, umdlali wethu namhlanje. It was ulumfana lo, Mfokeng. Mfokeng today. Mfokeng bedlala yedwa namhlanje Mfokeng. I'm not blaming Osuna Police. Ubengekho umdlalo the reason why Mfokeng athi dlala amnandi kanje namhlanje. It's because bekhona uDion Hot obemnikeza support. Awukwazi ukudlalisa Osuna Police as a right winger kodwa i-right wing back yakhe umsangani overlap. Awukwazi ukudlalisa i-right winger ungenayo i-right wing back overlap. I-Pirates idlala ngama wing backs. We have wing backs. Ama wing backs wethu aya overlap. We play like a PSG. Dion Hoto ubekwazi uku-overlap afaka ama-cross eboxini. Ubekwazi ukufaka ama-cross eboxini. Kodwa lo mfana lo Mashiliyoni ayikho into ayenzile. Indlela adlala ngakhona lo mfana lo uMashiliyoni udlaliso like i-performance ayikhiphe namhlanje ingeze ngamkhumbula uShando. Like uShando angimthandi impela. Angimthandi impela uShando mfethu kodwa namhlanje yo lapho uthi mude mahala Mashiliyoni angimfuni nala ehambe khona. I know it's your first game. Yes, I know. Mara, why are you doing this? Hayi. Nginani madoda sikhulume ngeke. Ngingakhulumi ngedwe kanti nani nithuli lapho. Hey. Sibonele.
Yebo bafu khamba kanjani?
Njani?
Kuyaphileka kodwa bafu man.
Kwenzani abafana?
Kodwa naye ucoach wenza iphutha kakhulu ngoba uyazi ukuthi unaso iskimi bafu separate akumele ngisiyazi ukuthi sidlalise bathengile abazali abasha. Kuyafuneka nje ukuthi sicale ngabo laba abakudala kancane bafu sibone ngabo abomabasa. Kuthi basazimisele yini njengoba sekunama player washa. Yabona so kuyafuneka nabo ucoach aqale ngabo naye akekho wrong ucoach. Ngathi uzama enye into yakhe entsha nje eshisayo kodwa imhlulile. Uyibonile na igame ukuthi imhlulile kodwa akakhonanga futhi.
Mara kusiyi pre-season le. You cannot test abadlali nge-league. Awukwazi ukutesta abadlali nge-league. Ungabatesta abadlali nge-cup game. We don't want ama-cups now. We want e-league. Uzofaka lo mfana lo Mashiliyoni uzomqalisa igame against isikhukhuni team esishayile last season. Awuyibukanga igame last season. Hawu ucoach kanjani mfethu?
Wenze iphutha kakhulu vele ucoach. Nami ngistressile mengifisa nokuthi baqalise uMbatha negame. La game uMbatha ngazoyiphusha kahle kakhulu angikutshela manga bafu. Yena uNduli naye igame is fine yena ngoba is a star player lamjida umuntu wazi ibhola. Kodwa akumelanga ucoach nje avele abafake bonke labantu ngaleyo ndlela abafake ngayo yabona. Bonke abapolice vele nje ngoba ngeke siba blame bafu. Iparty isenama player amaningi kakhulu. Kuthi la coach nje usafuna iskimi. Kuqinisile lento ekhulumayo akusafuneki ukuthi afune iskimi. Uyawazi ama first line up abomahopho abomas bonke lamajita abotito abekho wrong. Bonke lamajita ayafuneka.
Njengoba ngisho nje, i-line up ikhona, ucoach into emelanga uyayenza yena ukufaka lapho nalapho. Simple as that. Yena into ayenzayo. Hayi. Uzoshintsha nje. Abona nje futhi angifuni bafethu kube ngazuthi uvane uyagxeka cha angigxeki lutho bafethu. Mina ngokwami yabona igame yanamhlanje ngasho futhi during the week I spoke about lento le ukuthi yes we won against iPulwane City but isisethu ngeke sikwazi ukucompete against ama team as strong eswini. Today we saw Mkhize weSikhukhune United. He really showed ukuthi umdlalo wangempela lo. Ngengithuke mina ngokwami ngibona uMkhize sethengwe iSundowns because Ramjit uyalazi ibhola eswini uyazi ukuthi kumele enze as a player who plays eswini Today I saw Mbule. Mbule was really good today. But uMbule ubedinga umdlali azokwazi ukudlala naye. Tito Maswangani ube on
No,
and
Van.
off. I don't know. Ube on and off for me, Tito Maswangani. And taking
Enye
off Usipho Mbule really destabilized us because for me I thought Uyana Mjida ubesinikeza ama-creative ways of going up front and yabo and getting it goal. But taking him off and putting in Mariko.
no mina Van yabo into engiyibuka bafo lapha. Sanibona bafethu yabo into engiyibuka lapha ukuthi ucoach akakhona uku-analyze ne-opponent yabo. Awukwazi ukucombine uTito noMbule kuleya game leya ikuleya tempo leya.
Yeah.
Fine, umbule u-right uprotector i-midfielder eprotecting ne-defense eshaya ama-connecting ama-pass azosuka kwi-defense kuma-strikers wethu but still mina I think uKim Vuyt was deserving ukudlala le game le ebephambi kwakhe umbule even though uKim Vuyt elahli ibhola kodwa nje uKim Vuyt uyacreator uyakhona futhi ukuthotharisha ama-opponent uTito just knock around knock around ibhola akalenzi lutho akashayi yabo nje ubusho kahle ukuthi iplayer elidlale kahle uMfukeng because uyena umuntu ebengena ngaphakathi eshaya ama-passes eshaya ama-shot kuphela.
Mina ngokwami ngiyakuzwa lapho mfowandla ngothi ngokwami I think iPirates kumele ihlale phansi ibheke ukuthi kahle kahle sishoda up. Mina ngokwami namhlanje number 10 position yes ibileka. We didn't have the creative player obekwazi ukuya phambili asinikeze ama-chances. Why not take Usipho Mbule, play him as a number 10? Put in Umbatha. Talented Mbatha is that player who gives you stability, a swing. Last season we saw him playing with Umakhehleni Makaula. Talented Mbatha, yes, he's a number 8 box to box, but he doesn't go up front kakhulu. He'll create some chances kakhulu. Akai, he stays and assist Umakhehleni Makaula bamake. You cannot do that to do Usipho Mbule. Usipho Mbule doesn't give you that. Usipho Mbule is a number 10. He's a number 10. He plays up front. Yabo. Unikeza ama-team amathuba ukuthi yabo akwazi ukunokha ibhola akwazi ukuthi kuye phambili kukora. I saw him today. I was like, hey, yes, good mase liphethe ibhola, but sinjani mase ngaliphethe? We are good when we have the ball, but do we play ibhola elisile mase ngaliphethe ibhola? Do we mark ngendlela right mase ngaliphethe ibhola? That is the question ekumele siyibuke as ama-fans ukuthi okay, yes, we have a good squad mase liphethe ibhola badlala kamnandi ibhola mase kumakwa simaka kanjani? Ingabe ikhona yini into esile esiyenzayo mesimaka? Cha, ngokwami mina ayikho nje into esile because eswini that is how ama-team are strong azosidla khona. Sundowns, we are playing against the Sundowns next week Saturday. We are playing against the Marumo Gallants.
Mhlambe lapha uyabona enye into ucoach mhlambe into ephinde yamthinta futhi kule game le ama-sub wakhe yabo. Enye into kuyi-line up awukwazi ukufaka uOswini ufake noMfukeng at the same time. Why ungafaki uSibelebele that side uOswini or uMfukeng ebe kwi-bench and then start one? Uyazi ukuthi igame uma ngabe seyingahambi ngendlela yakho uyazi ukuthi you have uMfukeng ebenchini or unoApolise ebenchini. So izinto ezimshayile lo coach yona kakhulu into engiyibuke lapha mina yazini.
Sure bafethu.
Ya ngiyaphila.
Mina into engiyibonile la ucoach into alahle ngayo nje number 1 la number 2 amfakile uMakhokhoba hayi bafethu hayi ngeke. Hayi ngibone ngathi yabo nje la muntu i-first touch yakhe mfethu. Ufilo phasela uApolice laphuma ngaphandle. Washumpuza washaya ama-cross angekho yabo nje leya nto yafethu khombisa ukamisha kakhulu kwi-Pirates le ebuka abantu abangaka mfethu namhlanje. And then okunye futhi ngiyavumelana noNhlangothi mayekhuluma ngendaba yama-sub ayingeke bafethu ama-sub awasinikanga lutho noSibelebele mfethu ngeke noDlamini ayikho lento bafethu. So mina ngokucabanga kwami I don't think lo coach angayithatha bafethu league.
Yabona nathi si-ambitious kakhulu asikwazi ukufuna i-league coach. Asikwazi ukufuna i-league coach. Coach it looks like yes he saw the foundation because I spoke about the foundation uthi coach omusha uzofika kumele asebenzise i-foundation eshiyiwe because iyona besisebenzele. yena you want to create something new. You cannot do that. Sesiqalile vele sadlala, yabo. Awukwazi ukuyenza leyo nto leyo. Mashilion, that guy, I saw him playing against the Bolton Wanderers. He was really, really, really bad. When we were playing pre-season. Coach, umbonile umdlali wakho uthi umsangana. Why ufuna uzomqalisa against ile club leSikhukhune United? Ile nto leyo ukudoubt ama-team like ile nto leyo uku-undermine ama-team. Namanje ngisasho. You have good players. We have good players, but we are undermining these teams. Undermining ama-team anjengoSikhukhune yizona zinto ezisidala ukuthi singayiwini league. Le nto yenze iyoke yenzeka. Past 5 seasons, we undermine ama-team sidliwe singayiwini league. Undermine ama-team sidliwe singayiwini league. Le nto le kumele iphele. Awukwazi mfethu uzotesta against iSikhukhune. iSikhukhune uyazi inabadlali abantswembu. iSikhukhune ine-quality all round.
Yeah, kuSekhukhune mina mhlambe bengingasho ukuthi kwi-backline uSibisi noMbokazi ayibe bengapheli kahle. Fine uMbokazi bekazama uku-eda efaka iforce laphana kwi-center, but mina laphana ucoach akabuyise uNda or uSesami oyedwa wabo kumele ephumule kulama center backs lawa, and then e-center uNdulu u-right if azodlala noMbuli, or uMbuli uzoba right if azodlala noMbatha, because uMbatha it's a box to box. And into engiyithandile ngoMariko mekangena, uMariko ushaya ama-shot, yabo, uMariko i-hard work. So nayo
mina phasa loyo mfethu. Ayathanda ukuphasa. Unayo nomkhubo omubi engisekunotisile wakhe ongathanda ukuphasa uMariko.
Yeah, usafuna ukuyifaka
kuma-fans. Ufuna ukuvela mfethu. Manje hayi ngeke mfethu, ayisipani lento yakhe. Yabo.
Mina bafethu ngisasho namanje. Yabona lento ya coach izomfaka enkingeni. Against Sundowns akumele
ebafu. Yeah, angiphikisi ukuthi sharp njengoba nimgceka ucoach ukuthi ingamfaka enkingeni. Akunankinga lapha ya. iPirates idlala ibhola elinhle kakhulu, just iphutha lenzile ucoach uyazi ukuthi yini. Uyazi ukuthi kumele acela iroute ikuphi, so yena ufuna ukhawathe iroute yonke and ngeke alunge lento afuna ukuyenza ngoba uyazi ukuthi abombongazi abantu vele abanye abafikayo abasha phela nabombongazi intwana ezivukayo kwamanje. Sisadinga labo Van Ronald, ubani namjita wekhaladi lo ushayire akusabantu kumele abahlalise phansi lamajita lawo. Amajita kumele ahlezi aperforma i-fitness or yini, akukho fit umuntu akusebenzi lokho esinye isikhathi.
experience. Yeah.
Uyabona, so bona bafuna ukuya ukuthi i-fitness inini batesta abantu lezi zinto lezi ufela inini, lokho kuzoba khawatha lokho. Amelanga baye ngakho lokho yinyi ikhawatha ama-team le ngoba lamajita lawo mewasegamini ayazimisela, ayazi ukuthi adinga ini, and le ntwana nazo lutho zisimiselanga under pressure and sifuna ukuwina first game. Bonke labantu bafuna ukuwina and bayazi ukuthi la i-support ya-Pirates idinga ini, and la ekhaya bayazi ukuthi i-Pirates idinga i-league la. So yabona uyacacisa ukuthi negame ezayo ngamajita lawo azodlala ucoach uzolungisa nokuthi lengaba
nanothisa ngesizini edlule uManqoba engamdlalisa uMdawu noMkwena. Angazi ubani umunye. Hayi yabona imanagement ukuthi ayingeke lenqola. Ayila sifuna ukuthi iye khona. Bayilungile yabuya iSundowns, akhumbula bafu.
Masacala ukuhighlighta leli phuzu leli. Ngicela ukuhighlighta leli phuzu la le right back position. Orlando Pirates ihambisa uMonyane. Enye izinto lezo engibuye ingixaki, sahambisa uMonyane.
Hey nilenzile futhi.
Uyadlala with Chiefs. He's playing really, really, really good. We know kuleya position kunabadlali abaningi abalimalayo. Van Rooyen I'm sure ubengadlali ulimele. Ubengadlali. Why did he go? I'm sure. No. I'm sure ubengadlali ulimele. Why engadlali pho?
Akalimalanga ngisho last week
nakwi-pre-buff bebengafaki nje.
Kwi-pre-season.
Bemfaka nje. Kanti wadlala kanye. But nje yabona ucoach uthi akholela kuyena benombatha.
Hayi man, ayikho nje lento yakho coach. Yabona mekuzoba njalo ngimena nje. Uzoyikhipha mina mezifaka lo mfana lo Mashiloni benoShandu. Yabona nje uMashiloni Medoshando uJose
kodwa
phela wayengabathandi labo badlali.
nokuthi
mina
Sanibonani bafethu,
Ushando
sanibonani.
usakhona uJose wayengalilokozi ijezi Ushando.
mina
Yabona?
ngithanda
Eh.
indlela lo coach akadlala ngakhona kwi-preseason yakhe like uma kade ubuka ama-preseason and ubuka negame ePolokwane City la coach lana uthanda ukuthi i-team ibe nebhola kakhulu yabona kodwa akakhonanga-ke uku-improve ukuthi uma ngabe simaka kanjani ama-set pieces iPirates ngicabanga ukuthi isizini esithathu le ishawa ama-set pieces njalo ishawa ama-set pieces so angazi ukuthi ucoach uzama ukuyibhalansisa kanjani lento yakhe ngoba nje iyasidlisa yabo awukwazi ukufaka 70% yabadlali abasha bodwa bakuphi laba abanye izimpande ze-team i-foundation uyishiyephi
Aqiniseke.
Useyibulaye
Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani, ngicela ukukhuluma.
Yaphuleka.
Kuyaphileka nsizwa kunjani mfana?
Kuyalena le.
Mfethu
Ngiyalena
aqale ngithi
le.
mina ngiyayithanda i-content yakho mfethu, ngama-update wakho mfethu, always accurate. Ngiyayithanda into
Hayi.
yenzayo mfethu, uphusha mfethu, sikufollowe, siyayishare i-page yakho mfethu, ukuthi abantu abaningi abafike ngempela bayishare mfethu, siyayithanda into yenzayo. Kodwa
Hayi
mfethu
bonga.
namhlanje angisho-ke lento i-right back yethu mfethu ayikho lento leyo kusinikeza i-non-profit organization yama-right back asiyifuni ayishinthe njengempela mfethu bahambise
Yabo.
uMonyani kuze basilethela omunye futhi non-profit organization yomfana asiyifuni leya nto leya ababuye abafana bethu akubuye uNda akubuye Sesani yakwazi ukuyibamba leya position ngeke siloko
Yabo.
sidlalelwa lento lena ukuthi yabona le game ukuthi lento ukuthi kuzolunga angeke kuze kulunge igame yokuqala iyona yabona igame yokuqala ibalekile kakhulu ngeke siye stadium mfethu siluze imali engaka sithenge opass mfethu ngeke sithengele lento kumele ukuthi basilalele impela lento leyo ukuthi ngeke sidlalele ama-non organization profit ama NGO leya lo mfana lo ngenile number 2 lona non-organization or profit organization angazi isho ukuthini nani kodwa injalo nje mfethu angifuni lo mfana akasidedele kungena uFanroen or uSesani uNdaka abuyele futhi ngale
Ukhona nomfana
hayi
omncane.
ngeke bafethu siyadliwa la
Umfana omncane uNdlovu. Ukhona umfana omncane uNdlovu.
uNdlovu siyambona mfethu uNdlovu siyambona bafethu uNdlovu siyambona uSesani eyibamba la position
Because wayedlala yona uSesani leya position before abe i-center back lokuqina kwe-Pirates. Wayedlala as i-right back, menikhumbula kahle. Yabo. So ngempela bafethu mina ngiyaxakeka at times ukuthi kahle yini esifuna ukuyenza. Siwina kanjani i-league mesoqhubeka sidlale into kanje. Asikwazi ukuyiwina i-league. Yabona ngeke sikhulume ngokuthi sifuna ukuwina i-league. Soqhubeka senze ama-same mistakes because repeat the same mistakes uJose ayenza last season. Undermine ama-team. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi kukhona i-team encane but undermine ama-team angaphansi kwe-Pirate ne-Sundowns. We-undermine phela lento isikhukhune. Isikhukhune besazi kahle. Yabona kube mhlawumbe umdlalisile-ke uShanda hayi ngizo-understand usayi. Vele phela uShanda ujwayele ukudlala. Mina ngikaze ngambona mfethu uMashiloni edlala. Bengiqala ngqa.
kodwa vele yahlahle lento esekhukhune ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach angazi mhlawumbe bekumele ngabe lento useyithimile ukuthi iPirates iwina kanzima against isekhukhune so i-lineup yakhe kumele ebe accurate ngayo yabo and going back mhlawumbe nakuzane uma siya kwigame esiyidlalile ne-Sundowns nakuzane siyiwin bayibona information esasiyisebenzisa lapha I think ngibhala nako kuma-comment ukuthi sidlala 3-5-2 yabona mhlambe uma bengashintsha ne-approach yabo bengashintsha i-approach aba-approacha ngayo ama-games yabona singawina kahle siwine fair futhi yabona because into manje nje uchaze ngoba u-apholisa ukuthi awukwazi ukumphera naloya mdlalo yana fine udlale kabi mhlawumbe nimbona ngalelo sodo nami ngimbona vele udlale kabi but mina kunezinto engiyicoachile ke noma kungakuningi okubi kodwa kunokuhle akakwenzayo lamjida uya-eda kuyinakuzane e-center nje ibhola kume-trap ngaso sonke isikhathi ulifake e-center uvale ushawa nje amakhosi
inkinga ke
Ihlangane
Sanibona
fan
bafethu.
awe
Sanibona
four.
bafethu.
eh
Namhlanje akuphileki neze. Lento engiyibone ku number 2 ngale, hayi. Khombisa amateur level.
Yeah.
Nalento yaka
so
coach mfethu yokuthi a change 85% of the squad. Afaka abadlali abasha ku first game of the season. That shows undermining isikhukhune as uvane asho bafethu. Because like dinga combination play angali uNduli noMbule bakhona ukudlala bobabili lapho. Kodwa against teams like this and the first game, dingeka the real combination play. For example, Umbatha noNduli, they can be a great feed lapha esigubhini.
yeah
Pirates ngibone into eyodwa, we cannot defend.
mm
Asikhoni ukumaka. I-marking yethu ayina shape.
eh
Ilokho
akube
ekubonile
saniphethe
kuphela.
ibhola lapho
Otherwise nje ukudlala sidlala kamnandi. Nami uMariko bekulokulalele bafu ukuthi uMariko njengoba engenile akayidrophanga iTempo kodwa kumele afunde ukuphasa, not always as a midfielder ukuthi kumele ukhahlele ushaye shot. Kumele uphase abadlali. Uhotho bafethu I showed today ukuthi vele he's a really hard worker. Yena benotito balwile namhlanje angifuni ukucamba amanga. Kodwa ke ucoach imela alungise lento yakhe ukuthi a change 85% of the squad. Uma singadlala kanje sizofana nabo makhelwane silwela top 8 nathi. Cabanga mfethu sishanga ngesquad depth esingaka solwela top 8.
yibo selection yona lezombulala ucoach wing backs last season they saw what we has we play with ama wing backs I don't think abantu abaningi ba understand ukuthi Orlando Pirates idlala ngama wing backs
Kodwa
Exactly.
ama
angiphikisi
wing backs at
Kodwa
the numbers
bafethu angiphikisi ukuthi ningabheka emuva. Kumele nibheke bafethu i-10 ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ubani onishayisa i-10 ngeke azodlalisa uMabasa noMakgopo ibench. Labantu baziyo ukuthi uyaphuma oyedwa ana 5 goals, umunye ana 9 goals every season. Labantu ikhona into abayilithayo la ekhaya mara uzobahlalisa phansi. Labantu akusizo abantu
Radio Pane is a striker without a shot on target.
mina
Imagine.
ngisacela ukunitshela something regarding our striking department. I feel like this decision was taken from the top lokuthi bangadlali ama games amaningi ukubani ukuMakgopa noMabasa. Reason why last season they were given amathuba amaningi abajita but they didn't play. They were given many chances last season but they didn't play, they didn't score ama goals. But again this season they bought a new striker ukubani uMbuthoma. Radio Pane they didn't get too many chances last season. Banikezwe ithuba namhlanje this season bazodlala yena benoMbuthoma. So we might get inkinga kakhulu kule season bafowethu regarding a striking department but ke ucoach kumele akwazi ukuyilwela leyo nto akhulume department akhulume ne-management asho ukuthi hey kumele sithole uMakgopa for me uMakgopa deserve to play more often. Hayi kabi uMakgopa for me that striker that we need kuma games akanje against the Sundowns akumele siyale nale we must play uMakgopa against the Sundowns. You don't have to overdo izinto.
Putvani, the painful part was that uMakgopa was on the bench today. Ucoach uyabona ukuthi okay let me take you back to the first game of the preseason. Ucoach played with two strikers which is uMabasa noMakgopa in the first game.
Yeah.
That game was against Baltimore Wanderers. Okay, then today siyadliwa 1-0. Why don't you do the same thing ufake uMakgopa phambili benoMbuthuma? Udlale nga two strikers because you know we're adding numbers up front.
It's simple.
Hey.
and uyazi uMakgopa
It is what it
yakhona
is.
ukuyenza ukuthi le ntwana umfukeni ikore isikhathi esiningi mothi uyabheka amagoli wayo umfukeni la awuthi nayo yakhona ukuhold ibholo ilibeke espacing ngoba yazi uboy uquick so makangekho umuntu obamba ibholo alithi espacing isikhathi esiningi umfukeni lonke ibholo umeleze nalo ashaya ama window every time and so uMakgopa lama window lawa ulenzani uyalinika akubambe uMakgopa not ukuthi u dangerous kodwa uzombona ukuthi sikhona into eziningi azenzayo egamini lamjita uyabona so amengasho ukuthi maybe
So, ngathi uqinisile lapho ubokunake uMakgopa mekho negamini nje ubadushu nje uma umfukeng uyakora. uMakgopa wenza umfukeng abi-star sangempela. Ukuba khona kwaMfukeng kuyasisiza ama players adlala kamnandi ama players wethu. Because uMakgopa uyakwazi ukuya wide enze umfukeng angene inside. Ama players wethu ayakwazi ukuthi akwazi ukusuffocate ama team i-defense yama-team makhona umahopha because uyakwazi ukudropha deep. Uma edropha deep, unikeza ama-wingers wethu i-freedom because when he drops ama-center backs azofuna ukumlandela, afuna ukubona ukuthi why edropha deep, amlandele mase ukuthi ama-wingers wethu athole i-freedom yokuthi akwazi ukuhamba ama-droppers lawo bagijime oswini nomfuking. Yabo, izinto ey'kanjalo ayidingi, like they don't need izinto ey'ningi ukuthi ucabange kakhulu. Awukwazi mfethu ukuthi uwukhadoso uyi-defend ne-experience uzothuswa kulo mfana lo uRadio Bani. UKhadoso ade aqala ukudlala ibhola, I'm sure uvele wawutshela lo mfana onerasta athi relax, lo mfana ngiyazi akuthusa. Experience against italent elincane. uRadio Bani usayingane encane, so umfana omncane kuKhadoso. uKhadoso ningamthatha kancane uKhadoso. uKhadoso is a well-seasoned player. I'm not talking about
Putivani,
the Sundowns. I'm talking about the center back. Yes, Kukune. That guy knows how to defend. Usemdala kule defense.
Putivani, like as a coach coming into a new club, ubheka ezinye izinto like you saw that Ukeleto Makhalo was nominated with 2 awards, which was the Player of the Season and Players Player of the Season. Then when you decide to put in an amateur level player, Ugutazovala Ukeleto Makhalo, how's that, Mara, like as a coach, wawenza leyo nto le?
Hey, it's angazi mina ngokwami. Yabona mina ngokwami right now sengiphelelwe amagama. Hey, Mthobisi.
Sanibona Putivani.
Yaphileka.
Akaphileka.
Hey, it's uphila kanjani Sibiwe?
Mina mfethu ngibe ngishaya ngomunye umbono la. Bengibona ngenye indlela sinuthi ucoach wethu like vele cathi first time yakhe coach team enkulu njengePirates. Ucoach wethu ushawe ipressure. Ucoach wethu sometimes akayeke mhlawumbe ukufuna ukudlalela ama-fans. Ama-fans vele ayathanda ukubona yabo, vele siyabazi osiphombula ukuthi like ama-star player vele abadlala abalontunjana abane-experience badlalile nje kakhulu, kodwa ucoach wethu akamusa ukufuna ukuthi efika aqala ashintshe yonke into kwi-Orlando Pirates. Coach wethu like kuyabonakala ukuthi this season sisazoba nenkinga yongababoni uTalent Mbatha on the pitch. Omakhehleni sisazoba khohlwa nje kwi-pitch. Yabo abadlali abanjengoTalent Mbatha, uTalent Mbatha ePirates usenzile okukhulu lo mfethu lo. Akwazi ukuthi ungashaya ngesibindi, akwazi ukuthi ungashaya ngesibindi sokubani ushayise uTalent Mbatha nge-18 emagemini akanje njengoSekhukhune, mase ufuna ukudlalisa uRadio Bani. uRadio Bani wakwenzani kuPSL? AbePirates namhlanje
Musa ukuyibeka kanjalo uMthobisi. Ungayibeki kanjalo, umfana lo yamncane. Akayifaki egamini. uRadio Bani akayifaki egamini. Ucoach umfaki egamini. uRadio Bani for me he's a good player. But there are games ongamele umfaki. There are games okumele khona umfaki. uRadio Bani for me, he's more of a center forward than a striker. He knows how to shoot. Yes, he knows how to shoot. But sometimes when you look at him, you don't see, he doesn't strike me as a striker who's lethal, who wants to score on my ball. When I look at Mbutsuma, like, let's say angazi ngimbone edlala ibhola, I would see him as a deadly striker. But once I see him trying to touch ibhola, akanayo first touch emnandi umjidi. Yabo? Akanayo first touch emnandi uMbutsuma. But uMbutsuma mnikeza ibhola akukhahlelele. uMbutsuma uzokushayela i-net because uyakwazi ukushaya i-net. Those are the type of strikers you need to start. Oh Mabasa, those are the type of strikers you need to start. Abazonikeza ama-defender isikhathi esinzima sokuthi babamake. Awukwazi mfethu ukuthi uzonikezwa i-tough time. uRadio Bani akanayo leyo nto. You have to analyze your opponents. They have strong players, those guys. They have strong players. Against the Sundowns, you cannot start umdlalo njengoRadio Bani. Against the Sundowns, you need abadlali abastrong abazokwazi ukumatch. Kwa mhlawumbe edlala, let's say mhlawumbe edlala nani no-Bits College, bengizo-understand ukuthi siqalise uRadio Bani because o-Bits College abanabo abadlali abastrong. I saw o-Bits College. I saw ama-qualification games we-Bits College. they don't have abadlali abastrong abangayinikeza inkinga Orlando Pirates. Why ungadlalisa abadlali abakanjalo? Yabo. So
Ngicela ukubuza
mhlawumbe ngifuna
bafethu.
ukuya la ufuna ukuya khona cabanga manje ukuthi yabo like ucoach wethu ama-new signings ethu amaningi mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bekuthi mhlambe aqalwe kulama games lawa njengo-Bit College bese uthi lama games lawa amakhula mhlambe sodlala noSekhukhune sodlala nama team like anjengo-Stellenbosch akona ama-game ukuthi mfethu ungaqalisa ama-new signings zodwa kumele uqalise laba abazanayo ngeke ukuthi sithe siyaqala sesifika ngabantu abasha bodwa laba abantu ngisho ngathiwa abantu kanjani angeke nifike egroundini nibasha nonke kuyi-first game ayi nithi niyafika eground senizodlala seniyakwazi ucommunicate labadlali be-Pirates mina ngibona khona nokuphambana okukhona lapha ngeke
Yeah.
So bafethu nithi kule game ezayo ye-Sundowns. Sithini ischeme sakho Van?
Uyazi bafo
hayi
kwenza
iskim sami sisazophuma iskim sami. Ngifuna wempho.
Shosho
Uthi kuthini ukuphawula kwakho kwale game?
eish ngazi ukuthi angangiphelelwa amagama nje mfethu. But I feel like unakhunjana mfethu okay, first game udlalile mfethu yabo. New signings nani. But I felt like he had to respect this game more than the first one. So the first one was first game bounce. Everyone wanted to impress. First game is Putin and but I didn't see it necessary for me. I didn't see it necessary as a Shinchu Ushandu. Yes, Ushandu kade wasikhala ngaye. But if unakhunjana, but if Ufan Royen is unavailable, you can't be changing Ushandu because Ushandu I feel like has much more experience kuna Mashidwane yes ngomfaka mhlambe last 20 minutes sekuthiwa mhlambe siyawina or something. But inakhunjana I feel like Isikhukhune had to be respected more. In your case too ushilo wathi unakhunjana uMakgopa had to start the game. Angazi ukuthi bembekelana ebenchini engeze ukumqala. And secondly, I said it in the Tito, it has been a while if it is off. Sekumele siyeke manje ukubhebhisithana noTito, guys.
bafo ngalapha hayi ngiyaphika
Cause mina my thing with uTito Fezo is that nginokumbona mfethu khona lento yakhe anokuyenza Fezo. And manje iyangifrustrate leyo nto at this moment in time because last season I could understand ukuthi umjita used to come back and fetch the ball because besingena ama-progressive midfielders. As much as Umbatha mfethu noMakhawula, yes, they gave us what they gave us for the team last season, but bebenganakhunjane, but bebenga like Umbatha ngeke uzumcompare noNakhunjana mfethu no-Master Chef. Master Chef is something else. Uyabo uMakhawula ngeke uzumconfirm noNduli because uMakhawula uNduli uyakunikeza a ball forward. Kanti uMakhawula yes uyakudestroyela ngakudestroyela ekuqedela, but when you need that pass forward akagayi yona. Uyabo, so I feel like uTito this season, like nigga, you don't need to come back and come and fetch the ball. Stay at my pockets mfethu phela wena you are meant ukuthi usize uRadiophane mase sikhuluma ivar mfethu. You are meant ukuthi ungam-isolate uRadiophane. Right now you are isolating uRadiophane and supporters are looking at uRadiophane as a bad striker all of a sudden. Because when you are not doing your job, your primary job is to stay in between the pockets, in between the lines. In between the defense line, in between the defense line and the midfield line. Ilapho uTito kumele ngabe uRoma khona.
Simple.
simple mfethu. Manje yena uyafuna ukuzolanda ibhola, mayefuna ukuzolanda ibhola ushiya intwana isolated. There's very same energy ayisebenzisayo ukuzolanda ibhola. I-energy kumele ngabe ufika ngayo le phambili. Khona lapho khona namhlanje uke wasuka ekhatha in ngaka left. The moment eseyoshaya le bhola, it was a poor shot because usuka kuphi? Usuka ngapha ngasenakunjani ngasenakunjani yethu. And secondly, and secondly, okwesibili mfethu, unakho nje ngijwayele ukubuka ama-interviews amaningi yabo njengo-Lindo Pep. Lindo Pep actually mentioned one thing mfethu, wathi because uRile is an experienced Pirates player, the coach had to sacrifice him ukuthi kube uyodlala ngakwi-right hand position. Athathu apolice amdlalise ngalapho so that apolice is again confidence because you saw ukuthi negoli lakhe lokuqala ulikorenga kuphi
left.
ulikorenga ka left, so ehambe ngaka left ezogain confidence bese then mayiseyigainile confidence and eseyigainile trust usengabuya keze ngapha ngaka right.
Hayi yabona nje mina namhlanje mfethu mfethu
inkinga wathi bafethu labo coach banokukhohlwa ukuthi ama-maintenance yangithola akumelanga manje ayenze ngathi le amoli yami yayazi ngokuthi manje nginikeze yena itender. Nabo banephutha kakhulu ngoba ubonile ukuthi idlala kanjani Pirates last season yonke into ama-video everything unothutha kazi lamjito wazi yonke into ukuthi okay iPirates bangithathele labafana bokota bobani labantu laba engathi bafaka umlilo awuthi mina ngizame le spice list kahle esidingekalayo ngiphethe nje ngingayenzi umsebenzi omningi lo muntu uzenzela umsebenzi onzima
wenza umsebenzi ube nzima yazi wenza umsebenzi ube nzima udlule ukwenza simple wenza nje umsebenzi ube nzima yazi ngizokhuluma mina about the number 10 position.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's high time now we address the number 10 position. I feel like the number 10 position should be given to Umbuli. I think uthi Thomas Wangani uzo-understanda kangcono umehlele ebhenjini ukuthi leya position liyamelilwe because you cannot repeat the same mistakes. We gave you isikhathi sokuthi ukwazi ukudlala kahle. We gave you isikhathi eside kakhulu sokuthi ukwazi ukudlala kahle. That number 10 position should be given to Umbuli. La number 8, number 8 asikwazi ukuthi sidlalise uSipho Mbuli as number 8 guys. I think kumele sibe neqiniso. Kumele sidlalise uMbatha lapha. Kudlala uMbatha lapha. Yes uMbatha sometimes he may give us izinto ezingekho right but as number 8 uma sinikeze uMbatha mfethu. Number 10 sinikeze yena lo mjida lo Sipho Mbuli. Simple.
But Vamene, mina I don't think Umbuli Umbuli I know is a number 10, but I don't think the system here Pirates here freehold would allow Umbuli to play as a number 10 because lapha I understand Tito is not fast paced, but unayo leyo pace. Yeah, lapho uyakhona ukusuka from there to there. While Umbuli most of the time uthanda ukuhold the ball. And as a number 10, you don't need to hold that ball too much. Mele uhold urelease so Umbuli. I think I can be perfect as a holding midfielder, but angazi kanjani.
Wenjabulu. That's the problem I have with Tito Mfethu. Yabo Tito Mfethu, there are some yabo mawubheka ama-short clips mfethu. Uyakhumbula le game le esayidlala neBaroka kwi-Nedbank Cup. You remember those fluid moves. Uyakhumbula le game le njengoba kade sidlala nePolokwane City. Like tetele ibhola ngesikhathi mfethu. Sometimes I don't understand ukuthi yini enza ukuthi umuntu abambe ibhola mfethu isikhathi eside. Like khona la movements mfethu amancane mfethu utita mesa phawo. Yabo nje today mfethu there was some bekhona mfethu yazi ngathi ngabuyela egamini ngihambe ngiyophoza leya moment leya. There was a moment whereby mfethu Radio Pane was in between the center backs. Yes. Utito mfethu
that moment you
uyakhumbula yabo uhlula mfethu kuphasela intwana mfethu like passing intwana in between the center backs ihambe yokora.
And he did the wrong pass. I remember very well that thing. He did the wrong pass, which is why I'm saying Which is why I'm saying Umbule system Pirates, he won't fit to be playing in number 10 position because he likes to hold the ball too much. Therefore, I think we should